If you're planning to apply to study at Griffith, the application process is easy. There are a few things that you should know first, and there are a number of ways that you can prepare. The first thing you need to do is understand the details of the degree you're applying for. Step 1 is to select the degree that you want to apply for. You can do this via the Griffith Degree Finder on our website. Step 2 is to check the entry requirements of that degree, in particular looking for the required selection rank, any subject prerequisites, and any other entry requirements. Some degrees may need you to submit a portfolio or attend an audition or interview, so look out for any of these details. We also suggest that you check whether the degree has an early closing date. Step 3 is to check the degree duration and fees. It also pays to see what scholarships may be available, as this could help you reduce the cost of your study. Now that you've familiarised yourself with the degree details, it's time to apply. To do this, you need to visit either the QTAC website if you're in Queensland, or the UAC website if you're in New South Wales. Most students will apply through a tertiary admission centre, but we do offer direct admission options for TAFE diplomas, adult tertiary preparation graduates, and Australian Defence Force veterans into specific degrees, as well as First Peoples direct admissions for mature students. Contact us if you need any help. Applying via the QTAC website only takes 15 minutes. Make sure you have your email address, unique student identifier or USI, and personal details, qualification details, and a list of degree preferences that you're applying for. On the QTAC website, you can start by creating an account. Then you need to enter your personal and contact details. Next, there are questions about your qualifications, including details about your study that you've completed or doing now. Then you're ready to enter your preferences. With QTAC, you can enter up to 6 degrees that you wish to apply for. Make sure that your first 2 preferences are the most desired degrees, that is, the degrees that you want to study the most. Make preferences 3 and 4 the backup degrees. And then for preferences 5 and 6, make these your pathway degrees that will help you upgrade into the degree you really want. It's okay to change your mind, and you can change your preferences after you submit your application. Once you've reviewed and checked your application, you will need to pay an application fee to QTAC. Following that, you're all done. If you apply through UAC, the process is very similar. Getting ready to apply to study at Griffith is easy, and if you follow these steps, the whole process should run smoothly. Please remember that you can always book in a 30-minute Q&A session to receive your personalised support.